Welcome to the third upload of the International Auto Show. We're starting off with the collection of Porsche sports vehicles here. Very nicely put together. We've got a lot of other vehicles that I'll show you as well. Got an SRT, which is really nice with a body kit. I'll show you that one. There's a Lamborghini, a silver one that's sort of like silver or made out of glass, almost has a mirror image look. Very stunning. I'll show you that one. Nice Mini Cooper. There's the SRT. There's a nice Mini Cooper I'll show you. Lifted SUVs. There's a 1966 Black Cobra that I'll show you as well. So enjoy. So sit back, grab some snacks, and enjoy. So the silver mirror Lamborghini I was talking about is right there. Take a look at that. Just imagine the sun shining on that one. Very nicely done. Got some lifted Jeeps and Mercedes SUVs. These are very nice as well for off-roading. So we've got the Mini Cooper coming up next, and this one's got the engine in the trunk. Very nicely done and very nicely kept. Looks like it's a Honda engine in there. I can't even imagine how fast that car goes. Little bit of airplane takeoff from water action here. So we've got the Cobra coming up, the 1966. This one is a powerhouse. Absolute powerhouse. Nice collection there with the motorcycle, the classic car, and this Cobra. Very nicely done. So this marks the end of this upload, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks to the subscribers, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the next one.